Hey guys, it's Al with TechMadeezy. We just finished our part 1 review, unboxing, and even a small demo of the brand new Ego Dethatcher that's compatible with both power heads. Now, hey, this is part 2 and it's really quick, so I hope you hang with me here. So we've got two things, some information on the Scarifier, first of all, and we also have some run times with the different batteries with this new Dethatcher. So let's go ahead and check that out. All right, so let's talk about the Scarifier. So let me just tell you now, this unit right here, this Dethatcher, is also a Scarifier. Let me turn this around real quick and show you the dirty bottom, because we did that small demo. You can see the dirty bottom there. But I want you to look at the left side, and I want you to notice that you can actually take out this cartridge, and you can throw in the Scarifier. Now, there's two things I want to show you. Number one, where did I get that information? And number two, I also want to give you the run times with the different size batteries on the Dethatcher. So let's check that out. All right, guys, so here's where I got the information. This is the Ego 2025 catalog. Now, I'll put a link in the video description, and you can click on that link and check out the catalog. But I'm going to go to page 30 for a second. And I want you to see they're obviously listing some of the multi-head tools. And right there on the top, we've got the multi-head dethatcher. But I want you to look at this area that I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to circle. And as you can see, the compatible blade is the Scarifier, and the year 2026 is right there. So it's coming. 2026, they're usually pretty good. So that's cool. I mean, you actually can use the one tool for both. So I like that. Now, looking to the left, here's your run times. So you can get up to 17 minutes with a 2.5 amp hour battery. You can get up to 35 minutes with a 5 amp hour battery. And you can get up to 52 minutes with a 7.5 amp hour battery, 52 minutes. And as you can see, the rotating speed is 3,000 RPMs. So really, really good. All right, guys. So that's pretty good news that you could use this one unit for dethatching and, of course, the Scarifier. So I like that. I'll keep my eye out for the Scarifier cartridge. I'll let you guys know, obviously. Keep an eye. Hopefully you're subscribed. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll be in touch. Here's the video we did on the Dethatcher. I will put a link in the video description. And if you want, I'll put the word Ego in the upper right-hand corner. And when that pops up, you can just check the video out. So here goes the word Ego in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and click on that and check that video out. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round TechMadeezy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.